Hi Ashley and Mike, this is the drive-in to the home on Old Sawmill Road here. This is actually my neighborhood. This is the neighborhood up to the left there. And I saw this sign go up a couple days ago. I wasn't sure if the property was big enough, but taking a right here. I know two of the people that live on this road. My daughter's friend lives right here in this newer construction home. Wonderful family. Went to a birthday party over there. They have a view of the mountain. And straight up the hill here are, around the bend there, are the grandparents. And they have a little good news club that my daughter attends. So we're just traveling down the road here to the property. Set back here on 5 acres. It's very quiet back here. I can attest to that. Haven't been down this road though. Oh, there's the house straight ahead. Just really set back here. Oh, look, seems to be there's a home on the right down that road as well. Alright, so here's the entrance to the house. Driveway. Okay. That's the drive into the property.